Prepare for groundbreaking adventures with a fascinating theme warriors of the jungle. We are entering the fascinating world of logging machines, from powerful saws to giant professional harvesters. Let's explore together and admire the power, technology, and spirit, the persistence of these mechanized warriors in their journey of conquest. During 2022, a number of humorous yet instructive incidents occurred in the world of professional arborists. One day, Mark, a bonsai artist, decided to test a new technique for pruning tall pine trees. While at a height of 20 meters, he suddenly realized that he had forgotten to fasten his seatbelt. In a moment of confusion, he dropped a large tree branch to the ground, making everyone around him laugh. However, Mark learned a valuable lesson about work safety and careful preparation. After a devastating storm, from the rubble emerged a WF-Track 2460 snowmobile that appeared like a hero, protecting precious timber and the forest from damage. It steadily navigates through fallen trees and muddy trails, hauling wood to safety. Danny Svendrager and crew are true heroes, demonstrating the power of technology and the human spirit to overcome adversity. Witness the Ponase scorpion, the undisputed king of the jungle. This marvel of engineering is not just a harvester, but a productive machine, doing the work of 10,000 men with just a flick of the joystick. The revolutionary three-frame design and fork boom technology keep the cabin balanced, even on difficult terrain. With panoramic views from the cabin, you will feel like you are flying high above the treetops, ready to conquer every road ahead. Check out the Halverson HWP-140B firewood processor, a great fighter for those who want to optimize firewood production. With sturdy structure and robust hydraulic system, the machine ensures reliable performance. The user-friendly design and the ability to install on the CAT906H wheel loader provide versatility, making it simple to handle large quantities of wood. This is an indispensable tool in forest cleaning activities, cleaning power lines, or wood processing in urban areas called Woodcracker C. Applying the inherent hydraulic system helps create force large cutting, allowing the machine to process large diameter logs. Thanks to its ability to quickly prune branches, this equipment not only saves time and effort, but also helps reduce risks for workers. marking the passage of time in this ancient pine forest that has spent countless seasons. The sawyer stands next to the giant tree, 30 meters high and 1 meter in diameter, using a 700 mm saw blade to cut. Each fierce saw cut rang out amid the sound of the helicopter engine at a height of 15 meters, ready to transport these tree stumps to the needed place, demonstrating steadfastness in the battle with nature. The sudden act of pruning the tree branches resulted in the 10-12-foot treetop nearly falling into the machine shop, but luckily, it only fell onto a trailer containing heavy timber without causing damage. This is Valmet 840.3 in action, conquering a difficult road with mud and dangerous slopes. With a powerful 230 horsepower engine and excellent off-road capabilities, this warrior operates like a warrior on a wooden battlefield. The operator, with seasoned dexterity and skill, adjusts each movement of the machine to optimize the ability to process the wood. The scene is fascinating as precise saw cuts cut unwanted bent trees, protecting good trees while preparing them to lie neatly on the conveyor belt, ready for the delicate lumbering process. If you're having trouble finding the optimal wood sawing machine, look no further than the Fendu 80. With an impressive 80 tons of cutting force, this machine easily handles logs up to 31 inches in diameter. Enjoy the convenience of an adjustable hydraulic saw screen and optional wood lift, optimizing work productivity. This truck is a true monster, possessing insane power. The operators are testing its limits, bringing great excitement to watch. Have you ever wondered how to clear land for development in Florida? Take a look at the Mook Spider excavator, equipped with a Prac LDM 50 brush. With its power, cutting down palm trees becomes like child's play. The next interesting machine is called Woodpecker ARP 300, a powerful cutting machine distinguished by its speed in processing tree branches up to 220 m in diameter, completing the job thoroughly. Utilizing the power of a hydraulic feeding system, 3M conveyor belt, and protection switch, machine prices range from $18 to $112,000, suitable for a large-scale project. Join us to learn about the optimal solution for the wood processing industry, allowing for quick processing of giant logs into wooden panels with a width of up to 900 mm and maximum thickness of 80 mm. MEBORVRA 900 Edge Trimmer OPT I has a cutting speed of 40 m/min. The machine is capable of finishing from 60 to 80 wooden panels per hour, helping to increase productivity by up to 30% compared to traditional equipment. If you are looking for an ideal machine for landscaping in your garden, then Vail Products Mini Excavator Brush Cutter, mounted on a Bobcat E45 excavator, is the ideal solution for weed removal. With a capacity of 30-40 horsepower, the machine can cut bushes and weeds up to 10 km in diameter. Weighing about 350 kg, the lightweight design helps the machine move flexibly in tight spaces. The feeling of driving a Mercedes-Benz Arox 3358 with a tonnage of 32 tons on a small road in the snow-covered forest brings an exciting experience. Even though the road conditions were unfavorable, 4 wheels and steering assist technology helped me navigate sharp turns with ease. A powerful engine of 460 horsepower and 2100 Nm of torque helps me handle all challenges. The roar of the engine mixed with the quiet space of the forest made me feel like I was conquering nature. If you are looking for a compact yet powerful tree stump grinder, the SP7015 is the perfect choice. This autonomous machine is a breakthrough, delivering outstanding performance even in tight spaces. For around $5,995, you can say goodbye to hard work and hello to the ease of stump removal. The Ural truck carrying wood got stuck in the deep forest, sinking in the middle of a thick ice road mixed with mud, creating a scary scene. Despite difficulties, it still stubbornly struggles to escape nature, proving its invincible strength. The Woodland Mills WG24 tree stump grinder pairs perfectly with the Coyote CK 2610 and rear view camera, providing unexpected tree stump processing capabilities. With its easy-to-maneuver design, the WG24 shows the dramatic difference the right tool can make to your job. Transporting timber by rail offers many modern benefits, with giant trains cutting through the woods, creating a sound that resonates between the trees. This method not only reduces highway congestion and saves fuel, but also limits environmental impact, while embracing the nature of the forest it passes through. This is the process of cutting a 34-inch diameter log with a modern saw that only takes about 5 minutes, 6 times faster than traditional methods that usually take up to 30 minutes. The sturdy saw blade creates clean cuts without creating dust or noise, while increasing productivity by 50% and minimizing risk to workers, making wood cutting safer and easier. The enormous weight of the logs on the trailer was staggering as the truck struggled uphill, creating a cloud of smoke and dust. The engine roared and smoked in an effort to maintain grip with the road surface, but the immense weight seemed to be testing all its limits. On the rugged cliffs of Colombia, a giant cedar tree stretches out to challenge the sky. The lumberjack, small but steadfast like an iron warrior, stood before that natural giant. Each cut represents his enthusiasm and strength, and when the tree falls, a shockwave resounds throughout the mountains, like a strong declaration of man before the majestic nature.